Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Do you know that you can make $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google? Sounds impossible. Well, during this video, I'll be able to show you a technique that you can simply use to make this happen. And the better part is you can do that for as long as possible. If you like making money online, leave a thumbs up and like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below to get the latest videos when I update them. I'm going to show you a method that's proven to be working properly. I've tried it for an entire week and still making plenty of cash from it. You'll be able to use it to earn up to $1,000, and don't worry, you'll not sell anything or record any video or buy anything at all. You must be wondering how that's possible. Here are the step-by-step ways to make $1,000 every 30 minutes with Google search engine. First on the list on a way to make $1,000 in half an hour with Google, we have number 1, freelance. On Google search, type freelance, and some websites will come up. Few of the sites are Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. Fiverr is a freelance market where people will hire you for nearly anything. The 4 most popular gigs on the location are typical freelance jobs like copywriting, proofreading, and graphic design. But there are dozens of other categories yet, and a lot of ways to monetize your talent, regardless of how obscure that talent may be. For example, I've seen freelancers who offer to write poetry, and who offer to color your business logo on their bodies and take pictures. You get the gist of it. As I said, there are a lot of various ways to earn money with Fiverr. When it was launched, the price of everything was $5, but today you can set your prices as high as you want. While most freelancers on the location still offer a basic version of their services for $5 rates for things like illustration, animation, SEO writing, the amount of money you can earn on Fiverr is absolutely limitless. Fiverr offers some different payout options, but the most affordable and most convenient one is, of course, PayPal. Payments are in pending status for about 14 days after the completion of a project. Once that period is over, you'll be able to transfer the funds to your PayPal account. Upwork is another popular freelancing site. You'll be able to earn a solid full-time income on Upwork, but the roles tend to be more skill-based, that is, less random than those you'll find on Fiverr. The second way to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google is, number 2, test websites and apps. You can make $1,000 in 30 minutes by testing websites and apps on Google search. Among them is usertesting.com. With usertesting.com, you'll provide feedback to developers about new websites and applications. It's 100% legit with well-known clients like Walmart and Adobe. A recent case example highlighted on the company's website shows how users helped Adobe fine-tune its latest Creative Cloud tutorials. The pay is good enough, and therefore the work is fairly straightforward. You'll typically watch a brief video, visit an internet website or app, complete a group of straightforward tasks, and record your feedback via video or audio. PayPal payments are sent 1 week after project completion. The third way to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google search is, number 3, getting cashback from online stores. With Google search, you'll see a platform like Rakuten among others. With Rakuten, you'll be able to get up to 40% cashback from over 2,500 stores. You don't have to worry about forms or points, just use Rakuten.com or the Rakuten Cashback app for your online shopping, and you'll earn from your eligible purchases. Sounds great, but is it legit? Rakuten may have a funny name, but it's a large Japanese company with a long-standing reputation. It's a must-use service for frequent web shoppers because it consistently offers a number of the simplest cashback rates you'll find and encompasses a hassle-free cashback tracking and payout system. You can stack online coupons and promo codes together with Rakuten Cashback. One of the simplest ways is by adding Capital One Shopping and Honey, 2 free browser extensions that search the net for discount codes and automatically apply them to your cart. Another good place to seek out valid codes is Don't Pay Full, which updates its list of offers regularly. Make sure to put in Rakuten's browser extension. It will provide you with a warning anytime you visit a site with a cashback offer, and it will show you whether that offer has been activated or not. The payment option is via PayPal or paper check. And the last but not least way to make $1,000 with Google search is, number 5, by taking a survey. There are plenty of free sites you'll earn money from on Google search that pays you to complete online surveys. You can sign up in less than 10 seconds and start completing surveys immediately and earn points that are redeemable for PayPal Cash. These sites include Survey Junkie. If you're searching for ways to get free PayPal Cash, taking paid surveys through Survey Junkie is the best overall option. It is ranked the most effective survey website, and since most of the surveys on the positioning are quick and straightforward, it's a good option for people that only have some minutes throughout the day. Then we have PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a free site that pays you to finish online surveys. You'll be able to sign on in 10 seconds, start completing surveys immediately, and earn points that are redeemable for PayPal Cash. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards and cashback site that provides several ways to earn free PayPal money, including watching short videos, searching the net, answering surveys, and getting rebates through its cashback shopping portal. There are over 20 other ways to earn points on the website, and thus far the company has paid out nearly around $500 million in rewards to its members. We also have Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is owned and operated by the identical company that runs Swagbucks. That's not surprising given the similarity between the two websites. A bit like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars gives you many ways to earn extra cash, from taking surveys to playing web-based games and more. Prolific. Prolific sends you surveys and studies from top companies and universities, which might be a pleasant change of pace from a number of the opposite, more generic survey content offered by other companies. Learn more about these survey websites listed above using Google search. Unfortunately, there's no way to get free PayPal money instantly. The methods in this video are relatively fast and straightforward ways to make $1,000 in 30 minutes. But they'll still take a little bit of time and effort. If you have learned from this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this channel to get more first-class information. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.